Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age, and I've got a question for you. When was the last time you wore a dress? Or when was the last time you bought a new one? Well, especially in the warmer weather, the hot weather, it's so nice to wear a dress. Like, I don't know, those easy breezy feelings, and you kind of feel pretty. You feel a lot prettier than wearing like a t-shirt and a pair of shorts. And actually, t-shirts and pairs of shorts, that actually makes you stay hot. So today I have 8 different styles of dresses that I absolutely love and some styling ideas for you. And as usual, I'll have an inspirational message for you at the end of this video that will really help you with a little more self-confidence. But I'm excited to show you a brand new dress that I just got. And when I put this dress on, I'm thinking about, you know, maybe a casual get together, maybe just sitting in the backyard reading a book, or how about a walk along a beach? I'm not talking right today, but how about a walk along a beach? Anyway, let's take a look at number 1. To me, this dress totally encompasses the words easy breezy, and it's just $48. It's lovely, it's lacy, and it's a great length, and it also has a built-in slip underneath. It certainly makes you feel pretty, and it's lightweight for those hot, muggy days. I call it a casual dress, but it's elegant enough to wear to a restaurant patio or backyard parties. And if you're self-conscious of showing off your arms, this beautiful overtop is perfect at $20. It really does complete the outfit. What a gorgeous summer look. And by the way, the dress goes up to size extra, extra large and is available in 14 other colors. And don't forget that I'll have info on the dresses and also some of the other things that I'm modeling for you underneath the video description and also in the comments. And if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you can also find sandals and handbags and sunglasses and a lot of other accessories. All right, let's take a look at inspiration number 2, and it's another new dress for me. Here is a lovely new dress, and although I usually say don't wear black all the time, this is a little black dress that's just a bit longer. I love the classic black and white look with this lovely trim, and it's once again very easy breezy. It also has pockets and the straps are adjustable. This would be a go-to dress I could just casually wear around the house when the windows are opened and it's a relaxing day. I can see myself sipping a mojito on the back deck. Because it's only $55 and since it's mostly black, I won't mind cooking in it and it'll probably be my weekend favorite. Now, I'm not taking anything away from it, but that's my personal choice for wearing it. It could also work with any outdoor gathering, party, or festivals. And once again, if I didn't want to show my arms, a simple shrug like this one for $25 from Back to Bali would finish off the look and give me a little bit more confidence. And if you like fashion videos like these, and I do a lot of them, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. All right, let's look at dress inspiration number 3. Now, this is a dress that I've loved wearing since the day it arrived. It's a linen blend for just $54, and you can wear it like this with the sleeves up, which is my favorite, or they can also go off the shoulders. There's a little bit of elastic in there. Either way, the tops of your arms are covered, and you can feel confident with the overall style and length. It also comes in 9 colors, and it has pockets. I recently wore it to a rooftop party and I felt it was the perfect choice for such an event. But this dress is so versatile, you could wear it to almost any occasion and feel confident. And also remember, always know your own measurements And with every dress or blouse that you buy online, make sure that you check it with the size chart for that outfit. And don't forget, at the end of this video, I'm going to have that inspirational message for you. But for now, let's take a look at another dress inspiration. It's a denim look shirt dress. And although it's available in 19 colors, I love this denim look. I added a red purse, fabulous red shoes, and even a red cami underneath to add a little something something to the look. The dress didn't come with a belt, so I added a skinny one to give me some waist definition. The dress is available for just $39, and whether you're wearing it for business or pleasure, it's a great style, as denim is really on trend right now. Next, for dress number 5, let's step up the game a little bit to something a little bit more elegant. Now this next dress I have worn to movie premieres, I've worn it to galas, and I got a lot of compliments on it. Let's take a look. Isn't this chic and elegant? This is the kind of dress you expect a celebrity on a talk show to wear. At $34, it looks like it was bought on Rodeo Drive, and it comes in 2 other colors. The cutout sleeves gives it a cape-like feel, and the length is perfect for most of us. Feel like a celebrity and get ready for compliments, especially if you're wearing these fabulous gold sandals with rhinestones. It's definitely a showstopper dress, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Next, I have a newer dress, and it's by Grace Karen. Now, I love it as a dress, but I'm going to show you it in a second kind of look, wearing it as a vest. Yep, let's take a look. I absolutely love this dress. Although this is the color for me, it also comes in 4 others, and it goes up to size 18. It's available for just $40 and perfect for many occasions, but the best part of this dress is that it converts easily into a vest. And check out this look with a tank top and skirt, or you could also wear pants. How versatile is that? And by the way, don't forget about the Warner's no side effects bras. You know, this part here, they're about $28. It holds in kind of that flabby stuff, if you know what I mean, and I bought it in beige, and I also bought it in black. All right, so let's look at the next dress, and let's go a little retro on this one. Isn't this a fabulous look? It has a retro look to it, and although it's available in 7 colors, I like the wine color. It's available for $40, and the peplum design hides my tummy a bit. I also like the length. It's stretchy and could be worn out to dinner, a business meeting, or any upscale event. I added my favorite naturalizer pumps, and this color actually makes my legs look longer. If you don't know what to wear to your next event or occasion, this could just be the ticket. Now that last dress, it could be worn to a wedding or a fancy event, but this next one from Alex Evenings, it absolutely radiates elegance. Let's take a look. This is a beautiful 2-piece dress with stretchy lace, and although it's the most expensive of the bunch at $149, it's certainly worth it. I'll be the mother of the groom in an upcoming wedding, and this is the outfit I've chosen. I know I'll be dancing, so the jacket can be removed, or maybe if I do get hot, I can remove this jacket. It comes in regular and petite sizes up to size 18. The color I'm wearing is eggplant, but it comes in 3 other colors. I've got a few Alex Evenings creations, and I just love them. If you need a fancy go-to dress, this could be the one, and this style will last for years. So when was the last time you got dressed up? You know, sometimes we just get in a rut, right? You know, we're wearing the t-shirt and the shorts, and we could be wearing like an easy breezy kind of dress, and you know what? We're going to feel cooler, and we're going to have kind of a youthful vibe. Sometimes we forget, you know, how to feel pretty again, and this is the perfect time to start wearing dresses and really kind of up your style game. You know, it's true, and you've read it, that a lot of women, they start to feel invisible after 50, and this is really a time where mindset matters. So put on that easy breezy dress, or maybe wear a dress that looks like a celebrity style, and start to feel visible again. And you know, you might be saying to yourself, well, you know what, there's no eyes on me. Well, there are. And the eyes on you are the younger women who are just fearing getting older. So let's go ahead and up our style game and show them all that we're loving our age.